All right, now that we have learned how to insert a photo into the library, we are going to choose our featured image. So you're going to scroll down. Here's the little section. It says featured image caption. We want to set the featured image. Again, it'll pull up everything from our media library. Awesome. Look at you. Way to go. Great photo. I'm going to steal this as, well, I'll let you practice, so I won't steal your image. Let's say we're going to make this our featured image. First thing you want to look at is the dimensions. If it is any smaller than 1000 by 720, main thing is to look at the height. Then we don't want to use it. If it's larger, we can pare it down. If it's smaller, we can't enlarge it on our site. And if you enlarge it on Pixlr, the link I sent you, then it's going to look grainy. So, edit image. And what you're going to do to scale it is put 720. It'll automatically change the length. So we wouldn't want to use this as the featured image, but this is just an example of how you would type it in, and then it would scale to the correct size that we want. Again, oops, I'm going to go back and choose a better sized image. This looks like it'll be a good featured image. So notice the title, again, whoever uploaded this didn't save it the correct way. They have the right names and title, but we want all lowercase, so no uppercase, and we don't want any of these numbers here. So just be cognizant of that. Looking at the caption, we've got credit there, and then look, we have a date. So since that was used on the 28th of this year as a featured image, we do not want to use this again for another year. So make sure you always check the description. If it's been used in the past year, then we need to choose a different one. But for this case, I'm just going to use it real quick. Scale it, so then you'd hit the scale button and then set featured image. Again, I don't want to, no, I'll change it. So you can see. And then just go back. Well, that didn't save, did it? Blah. Okay. Here we go. The pixels are changed, and then you just hit set featured image. It will pull through there. The photo does, but if you go to preview, you'll notice that the preview does not have the photo courtesy beneath it. And for some odd reason, WordPress does not pull the featured image photo courtesy through. So you always want to copy that and then paste in caption text. It doesn't make sense to do caption text, but that is the one that we use. A lot of people think it goes here. It does not go there. It goes in caption text. And then we can see, if we go to preview, how that pulls through. Now you see photo courtesy. And that's that.